What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 25 of the grade. Today we're talking about how to get that consistent look within your footage. And so now we have two scenes here. We have her laying in the bed and then we have her staring out the window. And I can show you, let's put these side by side. As you see that the skin tone and the skin matches up with the other clip. Yes, the lighting is a little different just because she's next to a window and she's laying in bed. But as far as the colors go, the colors are very similar. The whites are the same, the pinks, the bows the same. And the way we do that is having a consistent look. The technique for that is to find your hero shot and color grade that. Whatever your hero shot may be, use that as a baseline. And once you get that grade for the baseline, then you can go apply that same grade to your other parts of the footage and then make sure that when you apply the grade, it fits. Meaning, if you need to change your exposure for one part, if you need to change your contrast or saturation, any of those things, make sure you change those things so it looks correct for your clip. As far as color wise, because you use the same grade, if the lighting situation is the same, it should work just fine. But if you have a different lighting scenario, that scene doesn't go together anyway. So you want to make sure you're doing that, you're keeping that in mind. Does this scene fit together? Were these scenes shot together or are they supposed to be together in this sequence? If that is congruent with what you're trying to edit, then that's when you will have the same grade, same power grade for each scene. Only time it will differ if it's a scene shot at night and a scene shot during the day. They're not going to be the same because the lighting is different. But if they're shot in the same location at the same time, then there you go. That's how you get the same grade. Thank y'all for watching. Tune in for day 26 of the grade where we talk about color grading log footage. Deuces.